Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And guess what, we are not late. I'm not late, and we all came downstairs on time all together. Say hi, Itu. Say hi. Itu just woke up. Okay, I don't know where we're going. Where are we going? We're gonna go to IKEA first. So as I told you guys, my husband bought a new car, and I'll show you the interior really quick. That's the interior. Wow, I love it. Hi, Eden. I like it here. Ito. Mira Masa is feeding Ethan mashed potatoes. Look at my handsome boy. I like the way you're sitting, Lovey. Are you sitting with Marzo? I love you. I love you. Looks like we found the parking. Go, go. We're almost there. Hi, Lovey. Hi. 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 Oh, you want to knock? Knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. Let's go. Hi, my lovey. Hi, Mary Jan. Hi, Mama Janya. Look at me. Look at this cute fish. Somebody is so excited to go to IKEA. That's Mira Masa's favorite store. Are you excited? We only came here for her. We drove 1 hour just to come here for nothing. Maybe eat ice cream from inside. For nothing? This is like my house. Look at me. Hey guys, let me just give you a house tour. So this is my new sitting room. Yeah, you like the combination, right? Me too. And this is my new bed. Yep, I like yellow these days. And this is my garage. This is my garage. And these are all my cars. Yep. I just don't like to brag, you know. Right? So what if the elevator is down? हम अपना पाकिस्तानी जुगाड़ लगा लेते हैं. Let me see my son. Oh my god. I am not here for the furniture. I'm here for just this cake. This is bomb. And that's a line. That's a long line, baby. It's okay. We can wait. This is what we got. We're getting you food too. Oh my god, that's a lot. You're gonna eat all this? Mirma, so are you gonna share your food with Ethan?
That's like a chicken tender.
First thing first, clean your tables. Ethan! Do you like it? Ethan thinks that's his crib. Do you like it? You want your crib to be like this?
You wanna lay down?
Hi, Edu. Mirrors, mirrors. Welcome to my master bedroom. I have some guests over. Just kidding. Let's just pretend it's my bedroom. Beautiful. Look at the view. Oh, the ocean looks beautiful. Wow. Okay guys, I'm gonna take you guys to my dining room. This is my dining room. And come guys, come. Guys, I'll show you my kitchen. Guys, I'll show you my kitchen, come. So here's my kitchen. I was just cooking something. And you see guys, I don't even make mess when I cook. I was cooking, have you guys heard about Kiali Pulao? Yep, I was cooking Kiali Pulao, okay? It's still cooking. Do you guys want to eat Kiali Pulao? No? Hey, 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 don't touch my salad. Come on, put it back. So who's gonna scream? Oh my god. So now we're going back home. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I will see you guys next time. Stay safe, be well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Until then, bye.